Specifications of the MiG-41, a candidate for the Russian sixth-generation fighter jet with terrible capabilities. Speaking of military armament, Russia never runs out of ideas in making it. Perhaps this is what makes this country one of the strongest military powers in the world. In the world of technology, the term vaporware is used in a product that is not yet available or is still in the planning stage. In this regard, Russia itself is known to be developing a sixth-generation advanced fighter jet. Its name is MiG-41. Quoted from the 1945 site, the purpose of making the MiG-41 is to replace the MiG-31. Earlier, in 2016, MiG chief Sergei Korotkov said that by 2028, the MiG-31 fighter jet would no longer exist. Since it was announced in 2018, some details of the MiG-41 have begun to appear. One is that the aircraft will be equipped with a ramjet or turbojet engine and capable of reaching speeds between 4 to 5 Mach. In addition, these Russian fighter jets will also use stealth technology and be equipped with anti-satellite missiles. Quoted from Defense View, the design of the MiG-41 has been completed in 2019. The general director of MiG Corporation said that the design of the fighter jet was made on the basis of the Foxhound MiG-31. As a long-range interceptor aircraft, later the MiG-41 will be used to patrol the Russian border and shoot down enemy aircraft passing by. This fighter jet will be developed into two versions, namely manned and unmanned. In terms of weapons, the MiG-41 will be equipped with advanced weapons such as laser weapons, hypersonic missiles, to anti-satellite missiles. Russia also plans to arm this sixth-generation fighter jet with the MPK-RDP, Multifunctional Long-Range Interceptor Missile System, an advanced weapon that can eject sub-missiles to increase the intensity of attacks on the enemy.